struggling with prop firms? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the break and retest strategy step by step on the most simple strategy I personally believe that's out there, and also the most profitable. Now obviously I've already drawn this, but what I'm going to do today guys, let's remove all this. I'm going to be going over the step by step. Let me just write this. Okay, so number one, zones, right? Number two, we will identifying breakouts, and number three, entry method. So obviously just call it entries, right? Okay, so looking at entries now, it's a 3-step process. I'm going to be using Bitcoin for the example. Why Bitcoin? Bitcoin is one of the most craziest trading instruments out there. So if the break and retest can tame this, right, we can tame anything. I personally trade GJ, which I have a personal 1 to 4 history reward with a 68% win rate. Obviously that's my Discord students, which I teach to them. The link is in the description if you want to join that, guys. But personally, yes, that's what I teach to my students. But here guys, I'm going to try to use the break and retest, and I've been getting a lot of comments, and obviously I want to provide as much value as I possibly can. And you know, I don't just want to show that I'm just doing backtesting. Obviously we're getting payouts. This is on the small accounts with funding pips. I don't want to show my other big withdrawals from my other prop firm accounts. But yeah, I've got the backtested data, obviously, like I was sure, just to show that, you know, I'm not just talking out of thin air. So got the backtested data. So now we're gonna do this one by one. Oh, by the way guys, I don't know how many of you guys know about this. The ones who know, good for you. The ones who don't, huge discounts with prop firms. If you want to take prop firm accounts, huge discounts. I have zero affiliation with these guys whatsoever. I recently found out about these. So if you already knew about these guys, perfect. I mean, they got Alpha Capital. They've got like other major prop firms, a Smart Prop Trader, some good rising prop firms as well. They've got really good Trustpilot reviews as well, so 4.9 stars. So definitely check those guys out. Okay, so let's go into this, and obviously the simple strategy, guys. This is why trade anything complicated, guys. When you got something simple like this, why trade any complicated strategy out there? Okay, we're on the 4-hour zone, right? We get our zones, and where do we draw this? Where does this bar go? How do we know where is the value? Where is a major level of value? So we can put one there. Now this is what we normally get taught, right? This is resistance, rejection, rejection, rejection here, resistance, right? So obviously the way I like to do it, guys, as well, I like to see resistance here, resistance, but some kind of level of support to match as well. So me, where normally everyone would put it here, I don't know why I've just dragged it all the way across. So stage 1, right? We're going to mark the zones. I most likely would mark it here like this. Why? Resistance, 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 breakthrough, support. Right? Support. I feel like I've mentioned this throughout the video. I just want to go in this in more detail rather than having all the drawings out here where not everyone can understand. So breakout, support, breakthrough. Right? Now on some kind of level, if you go to a smaller time frame, high probability of this happening. When I go to a smaller time frame, it's going to show me, look at this guys, the breakthrough and the rejection. Let's see, go to a smaller time frame. Let's try to find this, right? Just to give you an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is support. We get the breakthrough here. Price comes back up. Now it's rejecting this level. If I just look at this, if I draw it like this, color it black so you can see better. So this is the level, guys. This is the level. Price breaks through. Look at this, support, breakthrough. Price comes up here, and you can just take an entry from here. After this candle forms, take the entry. You can have this stop loss here, but I normally have a fixed stop loss. I go into this with a lot more detail in my obviously 1-to-1 mentorship program that I teach to my students, and this would give you a nice 1 to 7. Simple as that. But now the messages I've been getting, guys, and obviously I want to, you know, cater to you all, but then again, you obviously can't make everyone happy as well. But so far, okay, that's one zone, that's one way, right? Now let's see what happens. Now this is an easy way of identifying zones, because you know normally price action is clean. There's there's nothing else, you know, around this. So it's, how do you draw levels when it comes to when it's choppy like this, right? Ranging, same concept, same principles. Normally someone mark it like, well, that's a good level as well. Actually, I'll keep it like this: resistance, breakthrough, breakthrough again, resistance, resistance, rejection, rejection, breakthrough, support, 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 breakthrough. Look at this, breakthrough, and now resistance here, rejection, price falls down. So I could take a sell from here as well. price comes back up. Now me personally, once I want to break out, then I will take a sell. I won't take a sell. Sorry, look at this. There's no breakout. This was a this was the breakout here. We took the sell. The move is done. Now I'm not going to take a sell here because this is a resistance. I don't buy from support. I don't sell from resistance. For me to take a sell, I would wait for another breakout. Now look at this. Do this again. Support, resistance. Look at this, rejection, support here, support. Look at this, breakthrough. Now let's go to here. We got the breakout here. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Look at this. Why would I take a sell from here? This is the first time this bearish candle closed below this level, right? It's the first time that this candle closed. Look at, normally we got candles closing up here. There was all these were rejections. This is the first time the candle closed below. So now I know, okay, seller's intent is to push market further low. Now this is obviously, normally everyone's offering this in courses. I'm giving this out for free, so enjoy it, guys, and I hope this works. I've been getting a few messages as well. A lot of some people saying they were break even traders, even unprofitable, and now they've started to make profits. So more power to you guys. So look at this, guys. I even grabbed this line. Look at this. Price came up to reject this level here. This was support. Price came up. You could have taken a sell from here. Okay, where would you take a sell from? Let's go to a small time frame. Let's clean this up. It's probably better if I just put this on replay mode, right? Rather than just keep dragging this back. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Okay, price breaks through. We get the rejection here. Buyers fail to push the market higher. We got a candle close. Candle close, but below the level of support. And then look at this doji. Buyers have lost power, whatever you call it. Doji means normally when the price is about to change direction, which obviously it does. You should have taken a sell from here, and then straight down, which have even all the way down there. Maybe a 1 to 4, maybe a 1 to 5. 1 to 4, yeah, you could have achieved a 1 to 5, but this is obviously okay. This is zones now. I hope this helps. Now if it doesn't, please guys let me know. Now obviously hit that like and subscribe, guys. I post a video every 2 days, and if there's still any confusion, just message me in the Discord. This isn't a way for you guys to join message me in the comments. Message me in Discord, message me in the comments, and join the Discord community as well, guys. We're up to about I would say about 326 members all in a month's time. So I mean, it just shows me, guys, that you guys are enjoying the content, finding value from it. So yeah, join the community. Now okay, coming back to the video. Now this is how you draw the zones, right? Simple guys. Watch this on repeat many times. Apply it to the trading instruments. This is how you draw the zones. Now once you draw the zones, now obviously second step, we want to wait for the breakout. Right, we want to wait for the breakout. On the breakouts, we are getting breakouts here. You can say breakout bullish candle here. This is a breakout candle. I'll call it a different color. Call it blue, shall we? Okay, one breakout candle there. One breakout candle is here. Look at this. Oh, right, this one here, not the second one. This one, that's the breakout candle there. This is the rejection candle next to it. So one breakout candle here. So what we can do after that is third step. Go to a smaller time frame. We've got our breakouts, right? Now we just go to the 15-minute. Go for the entries. Now this, look at this. This is a equal high. I call it equal high. It's a bearish candle, equal high, because both candles failed to close above this support level. Look at this. So I'll color this green for entries. Look at this. After this candle pattern forms, you can take an entry from this candle. Or even you get a breakout here, just wait for this, patiently wait, and then boom, straight down. So that's one. Let's see for what it was showing for this one. Straight away I can see it. Okay, look at this again. This is equal low. I call it equal low, but it's a tweezer bullish pattern. Look at this, strong bullish signal to enter. After this forms, you can take, look at this, bearish candle, long wick rejection at the bottom, bullish candle, long wick rejection at the top. When this happens, normally I've seen that markets, or you can say the decisions are being made whether market's going to push higher or lower. But obviously after this candlestick pattern, bearish candle here, but buyers push it up. That's why we have a wick rejection at the bottom. Then we get a strong bullish candle here, and price continues to push higher. Now that's for the entries. Now simple, guys. It's a simple step process. Obviously what I teach in my mentorship program is a bit different to this. It's just that obviously what I've just showed you here, guys, it's not back tested, right? I've backtested my strategy for the last 34 trades, if you want to call it. I obviously show all everything here as well to my students, just to go in super detail about the way I've gathered my data. I have a 1 to 4 reward strategy with a 68% win rate. I only trade GJ. This was just to go over Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a crazy beast. If this strategy can tame Bitcoin, it can tame anything. And obviously I use it rarely for gold as well. Got some students passing prop firm payouts passing prop firms easily and getting multiple payouts. So this obviously the break and retest, super simple, super easy. Which other strategy, guys, are you going to get a 3-step process? You name another strategy, guys, that's super simple. I've got few students now, and the simplicity of this strategy is just so easy. Now once, obviously, what do we do? There's 2 weaknesses. Okay, what do we do now if the market is ranging, consolidating, or if there's news? Because them are the biggest weaknesses for this strategy, guys. And if you have totally avoid the this strategy becomes super easy. Now, okay, the way to what you do is, obviously, when you have news, normally in the UK we have news around it's about half 1 at 1:30 p.m. on average. Avoid trading after the news. And also with the consolidation. Now, when the market's consolidating, guys, I would personally wait for huge breakouts, right? Huge breakouts where market shifts in a different direction. And so obviously once the consolidation is occurring, guys, the best thing to do is just wait for a huge breakout, and then if you want to decide trade after that. Do not trade after or during, not after, sorry, just in the middle of consolidating markets. It will totally just mess up the price action, and you're just going to continue just losing, have a consistent losing trade. So I hope you found value from this video, guys. Want to keep this nice, short, simple, which turned out to be around 13 minutes. But yeah, I hope you found value, guys. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. I reply to all my comments. I wanted to just make this video for the ones who were struggling to identify the zones. And if you still are, guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what more I can do. Just join the Discord community, guys. Hit me up for the mentorship program. That means you just need some extra one-to-one time. And regarding the entries and all that, try to make them simple as possible. There obviously are other candlestick entry methods you can take as well. Breakouts are quite fairly simple, but overall, guys, the more obviously time you have to put in. I've spent sometimes 8 hours, 10 hours a day. I've done this for the last, I've got 8 years of experience, but I've just turned monk mode for the last 1.5 years, and I've never looked back after that. So yeah, perfect.